Alrighty, we are gonna call this strat Glock and my Rari. I'm breaking vents. Good shit.
Your reaction time was pretty iffy on that, mate.
Yeah, dude, I'm ones right now. Check the scoreboard, coach. I'm having a rough time.
I'm throwing smoke. I'm planting smoke.
That's an interesting smoke.
I don't want to talk about it.
I wouldn't either.
Fuck off, kid.
Got him.
Where?
He went dead vent. Oh, one's
Oh
window.
my god.
Ooh.
One's window.
No! Oh man.
Last
I
one
can't
was
believe
window.
that.
GG. Yeah, this is yeah.
Words. They're hard sometimes.
Hey, fuck off, kid.
Heard.
We're gonna go ahead and rush outside.
Man, we best wrap this one up quick.
Why are you cutting it close? We're fucking stomping them, bro.
I know, I didn't... Yeah, I take into account how much time these games actually take.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
Oh, I blinded the shit out of myself.
One left.
They call me C9 nothing.
He's on the bomb.
Oh, I
which-
can't shoot.
He's about to catch these fucking hands.
He went down vents. Actually, did he? No, he didn't go down. There he...
Hey, that guy.
Where did they?
Oh,
I didn't realize they were there so quick.
Shit.
I got a Z kill.
Fuck, dude.
Where you left?
Yeah, I'm in a bad way.
One's down there with you somewhere.
Oh god.
He might go for the knife behind you.
They're all gonna be going upstairs to fucking plant.
the fuck's the door?
Right.
Good shit.
This
Tee-hee.
one.
You left. They got 45 seconds. I hate you. Last one's sight. Probably back marshmallow. Or baby marshmallow. Eat it. Eat his ass, bro.
Oh shit. I'm trying to make this game end, guys. I can be playing this forever.
Say we're just trying to make it exciting.
Whoa.
Where's that at? One
That
left.
was,
I think he's heaven room.
Oh, we got bombed down.
Yeah. I just ran at him shooting my shotgun.
Hey.
See guys, I knew we could do it.
I wish it would have been a 16-0 the dream, but
Fucking
you know.
7 minutes to spare.
Good, you got time for another.
Dude, I came out so positive at the end of that. That
Bro,
game
how the
was
fuck
just...
did you get above me?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
You literally did. What the fuck? There's no way.